Ya Allah, get over it, man. Mind your own business. What is the big deal? He didn't borrow money from you and he didn't borrow money from you. What he does, that's between him and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We're always talking about loving one another and protecting one another, and then as soon as we're given the opportunity, we're eating each other's flesh. We're making minced meat out of each other. We're forever talking about how the West deals with Muslims and how the media deals with Muslims, and yet we're doing the exact same thing with this guy. Cut him some slack, man. We're falling in major sin. There's no other way around it. You're falling in major sin. You're backbiting. The Prophet of Allah, he says to the Sahaba, he says to the companions, he says to them, do you know what is backbiting? They said, no, Allah and His Prophet know best. He says, backbiting is to say something about your brother behind his back which would displease him. So one of the companions says, because there's always a cowboy on Facebook, or who says, hey, you know what, I'll say it to his face, man, I'm not scared. So one of the companions, he says, oh Prophet of Allah, what if what I'm saying about my brother, it's true? I'm not lying about it. He says, if what you're saying is true, then that's backbiting. And if what you're saying is a lie, it's worse, it's slander. So my brothers and sisters, wallahi, worry about yourself, worry about your own business. We really need to repent and look at the condition of ourselves. We should be loving one another, protecting one another. If if your brother falls, you don't kick him while he's down. We don't sit there and point the finger and laugh. And we're all falling all over ourselves. Now there's a petition to make him... What is going on? Wallahi, with all that's happening around the world, we're all concerned about this wedding. What's the big deal? Cut the brother some slack. Let's start showing some love, some respect. Extend your hand out. If you're really concerned, wake up at night, raise your hands and call upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So my brothers and sisters, in making this short and sweet, everyone worry about his own life. You worry about your own money and what you're going to do with your own money. Don't worry about other people and what they do and how they do it. Remain silent, mind your own business, and love one another. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.